let's visit touristy places kasi turista naman tayo, 'di ba? Second time ko na in Tokyo and finally nakaakyat na rin dito sa Tokyo Skytree. Normally sa may bandang Asakusa and Ueno ko lang siya nakikita. So ngayon tara akyatin na natin to. I got my ticket from Get Your Guide and sobrang convenient niya. No need ng pumila, no stress. Plus you can choose your preferred time slot. Which is super important kasi minsan sold out na on-site or hindi mo makuha yung gusto mong schedule. Make sure to book in advance kasi ako late na ako nag-book. So ayan, 3:30 na lang yung nakuha kong schedule. Strict sila sa oras kaya kung ano yung schedule mo, dun ka lang pumunta kasi hindi ka papasukin kung medyo maaga ka. You just need to show your QR code sa entrance para makapasok ka and ma-check nila yung schedule mo. And then, kailangan nating i-scan yung QR natin to get the physical ticket paakyat. Madali lang naman, i-scan lang yung QR code and may English instructions naman kaya masusundan nyo naman agad. And pagkakuha ng physical ticket, pwede na tayong dumiretso sa pila papuntang elevator pataas. Alam nyo ba, Tokyo Skytree is actually the tallest structure in Japan at 634 meters and one of the tallest towers in the world. Meron siyang 2 observation decks, Tembo Deck which is 350 meters and Tembo Galleria 450 meters. Yung kinuha ko is yung sa 350 meters lang. Medyo mas pricey kasi yung Tembo Galleria. From the top, you get the 360 view of Tokyo and on a clear day, you can actually spot Mount Fuji. They're open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays and 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on weekends and holidays. So you can plan if you want a day view or night skyline vibes. Medyo maaga yung punta ko. Actually, best time to go here is late afternoon to sunset para makita mo yung transition from day to night. And if maganda pa yung sunset, di ba, sobrang panalo ng view. Aside from the 360 views, meron pa sila ditong glass floor. Meron din sila ditong Tokyo Skytree Cafe and may restaurant din ako nakita. And meron ding souvenir shop. And since touristy nga siya, expect nyo na maraming tao. So medyo mahaba ang pila sa elevator paakyat and elevator pababa. Pero okay lang naman sa mismong view deck. Okay naman, may mga pwesto naman na makakapag-picture ka alone. Mag-isa lang ako that time and ay naka-tripod lang ako. Naka-picture naman ako ng solo-solo. So okay lang naman. May enjoy mo pa rin naman yung Tokyo Skytree view deck. So if you're also planning to visit Tokyo Skytree, check out Get Your Guide and use my code FLOWKAINGLET5 for 5% discount. Thank you so much for watching. Keep following me for more vlogs and just go with the flow. Bye!